Hello, beautiful people. As you can see, this is my husband. His name is Ifeanyi. So, uh,
We are both
Nigeria,
Nigerians residing in Ghana.
Ghana. So,
So, as you can see, the house
Manila,
is quiet because,
Manila has gone to school.
yes,
Um,
the small madam in the house, you see, she has gone to school. So, whenever she goes to school like that, the house will be quiet, you know.
Manila.
And our small oga, that one, he is sleeping. He is sleeping. He's in the house. He's in the bedroom rather. So this is why we had this opportunity
to do this small
video. So I know before the time we reach, before we go and bring her back, by then we would have done one or two things.
Yes.
So anytime she returns back, the house himself, we know that everywhere will be, jumping, shouting,
I will be
kids
shouting,
playing.
Manila, come, don't go there, don't touch this, don't.
It's not easy.
Motherhood is not easy.
To be a parent, to be a parent is not easy. It's not as if I'm saying this to discourage anybody, but sincerely speaking, I must tell you the truth. It's not easy. If you are this quiet type, you must talk. You can't be quiet. If you are single, you can be quiet. But I promise you, the moment you have kids, even a child, you must talk. You can't deny talking. So that is just it. It's just it. The house itself, we know that everywhere, like you see, like the house is quiet, clean, Hey, it's just it, because
motherhood.
She for herself, she is trying, because many times as a father, many times the workload, is more on our side, because kids jumping here. As a man, sometimes I have to do some of the hard work, in and out, jumping, moving here and about. So it's not easy.
Monitoring Manila.
Yes,
Philip, don't go there, don't touch Philip. Philip wake up now.
Like, there's a video we are supposed to post, but we've done it already, where the two of them were playing outside. You understand? They were playing outside, playing with sand and all those kind of things. So, but because of one or two movements here and there and business, but just watch out. You will post the link of check the comment section. You'll see the link there. Yes, in this video. So this is just why we are saying this. So anything you think of about this video, you can drop in the comment section there. So how what can we do to let me see.
What do you think about all my video that I'm posting?
Yes.
If you see anything that you like me to
show
in my video,
in our next
so let
video,
me know, so that I will do it.
We'll do more videos.
Yes.
Just that it's not easy being a parent doing YouTube videos, because the kids and all that, sleepless nights, dating, because in Ghana is blessed with
I love Ghana.
Ghana is blessed with
love
light.
Nigeria.
So,
I love Ghana.
But Nigeria, God, I want to say a big shout out to the YouTubers in Nigeria, because sometimes there's a lot of challenges people face over there.
No lights, no.
Because sometimes whenever we visit Nigeria, there's a lot of ups and downs. It's just like the the challenges will now be increased. You know, busy here. So though in our next video when we visit Nigeria, we'll do a lot of videos there.
Yes.
It's a promise. Just watch out.
Just
watch out. So
thank you.
Thank you, because of the time. We just want to do some 1 or 2 additional outros before we go and pick Manuela from school. And our little boss is still sleeping. So I know once that wakes up like this is, you know, full attention, you know. So it's not easy, because having 2 kids in
2 years.
2 years, you know.
3 years. It's 3 years.
No, 1.5, 1 year 7 months. 1 year 7 months. Actually, the reason why it happened was that at a certain stage we realized that Emanuela is lonely.
We are lonely, yes. So
yes,
we don't have
because
neighbors. So
we live alone in the compound. So, and it's not too advisable to be allowing kids to be going outside. It's just not even a kid, a child, you know. So it's not too advisable because of the insecurities, you know, in the world we have today. So that is why. And we just realized that even as a parent, if we try to say, oh, Emanuela, come here, we want to play.
We can't play with Emanuela
if
alone.
I try to play with my daughter, 5 minutes, it is too much, because Oga is always busy. Oga is always busy, Madam too, you know. So the person to really play with her is not there. Even despite the tablets, the bicycle, the TV, you know, it's not like, because I saw Emanuela like she's being, you know, quiet, you know, that kind of timid child, you know. But the moment she realizes that she has a brother, somebody, a child, because many times when you see her playing, maybe like watching all this cartoon, Coco Melon, a lot like that, she will be like wondering, are these human beings? Can I play with them? You know, stuff like that. So it's not something like real physical, you know. But by the time she comes back like this, hey, I think I can hear the sound. Go and check. I think our little guy is awake. Hey, so my people, he's awake. Yes. Please bring him, bring him. So my people, tell me what you think about being parenthood. Oga,
Philip.
this is my uncle. How are you? Philip, say hi to people. Say hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Philip,
how are you? Don't worry, we'll go and bring Emanuela from school very soon, so that you can continue your play.
Come and play with you.
So
Emanuela will play with you.
This
yes,
coming today is 9, so it will be 10 months in about a week time. He wants to eat. So my people,
he will come and eat
very soon. I'll be going to pick Emanuela from school. So we have to stop this video from here. As you could see, this is one of the
our work.
Oh yes, this is the work
God
we ask God. So Philip, please eat, okay? So Philip, tell them bye bye.
My people, if you like my video,
yes,
please subscribe to my channel.
Like, share, and comment.
Because
okay?
when next time I post a video, you will see my video.
Okay.
Thank you.
Philip, say bye-bye. Philip,
Bye.
say subscribe. 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 Bye.
Bye.
Philip, say bye.
Bye.